We're gonna go visit Batman's house.
Alfred might let me in for a cup of tea. You never know.
Oh, this is awesome! Oh,
the light right now is amazing. Young lad with a Brompton.
welcome back to the channel and welcome on what will be the first of a new series of rides from Jack Thurston's The Lost Lanes South. Today we're going on an amazing ride through the Chiltern Hills, taking not only a tree cathedral, the location of the greatest heist ever done in the UK, but also we're going to go visit Batman's house. Now if any of that interests you, come and join me on the journey. There are 36 rides on Lost Lane South and they're all around London via train. So going all the way out to the Cotswolds for multi-day trips to doing quite hillies on the South Downs. Right now the Chilterns Rendezvous is about 40 miles outside of London. The route today is about 43 miles. We're going to go via Whipsnade Zoo and the Tree Cathedral first. Before going on to see the Great Train Robbery of 1963. It's down as the biggest heist in British history, where they stole, I think it was like £2.5 million worth of pounds, which would be the equivalent of 50 million today. This is our first obstacle. Let's see what the Brompton's got. The wheels are not going to be to our advantage on this, but let's see how we get on. Hopefully I don't get my feet wet. And we're scaling over. Oh, we did it! We did it! I'm not gonna lie, I was definitely thinking my feet were gonna get wet there. But we did it! Well done, River. River living up to her name. So we should be coming up right now to Whipsnade Zoo and the Tree Cathedral, which is a cathedral that's been built or grown from various trees and bushes. So should be exciting to see. So Whipsnade Tree Cathedral. That's what it looks supposed to look like. I see. Yeah, they've got the cross there. We're going to head over now to Dunstable Downs and we'll crack on then over to the Great Train Robbery Bridge, where we'll tell you a bit more about what happened on the biggest heist in the UK and see where it all went down. And this is the first part where we're going to lose a lot of elevation, which we will have to regain at Ivinghoe Beacon on the return loop. But wow, look at those views. Although we can have a little bit of fun. Whoa! Oh, this is awesome! Whoa! Really made my day seeing that. There was a lot of division in the country right now, especially across all over the world. Seeing the English flag, the Welsh flag, Scottish flag, the Pride flag, a love flag, the Union Jack. You know, I think it's just nice to see representation and something, and flags being put up for positive reasons. On the 15th of August 1963, a 15-man gang pulled off the heist of the century with a glove and a light. They stopped a Glasgow to London mail train in the middle of the Buckinghamshire countryside by rigging a track signals. They used a simple battery to turn the red light on and a glove to cover the green light, tricking the driver into a dead stop. In precision military style, they managed to unload 120 bags in less than 30 minutes. The gang managed to get away with £2.5 million worth of loot, which is equivalent of £55 million worth today. This is down as the UK's biggest heist. The gang hid in a nearby farm to lie low and celebrate, but they had made one iconic blunder. They played Monopoly using stolen cash and forgot to wipe their fingerprints off the board. When the police discovered their hideout a few days later, those fingerprints led to the arrest of nearly the entire gang, turning them into the household names like the infamous Ronnie Biggs. Bit of a hill coming up now as we head up to Batman's house. Alfred might let me in for a cup of tea. You never know. Young lad with a Brompton. Mentmore Towers was used by Christopher Nolan as Wayne Manor in Batman Begins. Built in the 1850s, it was actually built as a tribute act to the older Wollerton Hall. When Christopher Nolan filmed the sequel The Dark Knight Rises, he moved the production to Wollerton Hall, which in the Batman universe makes the rebuilt Wayne Manor 300 years older than the original. So it shows a little bit of irony, really, that the older one played the younger one, which is all part of movie magic. This is the biggest climb of the day, and I'm not gonna lie guys, the light right now is amazing. When you're out here in the countryside, in nature,
it just removes all the artificial pressures we have as society. You know, it's you, it's nature. And I recommend if you are, you know, if you are struggling with just feeling like you're in a pressure cooker all the time, that getting out into nature will do you the world of good. Not only for your mind, but for your body as well. Getting cold, it's getting cold. I've only got about 10 miles left now to get to Harpenden, so I don't think it's going to be, no, sun's setting, it's going to be in the dark. Stay tuned for the next in the series. I'm not sure what that one will be yet, but it'll be one of Jack Thurston's Lost Lands South tours. Hopefully we'll get a bit more light as we'll be going past the winter solstice soon. And check out my other tours. I've done Where the Rose Is and a big cycle to Canterbury. So if you're new to the channel, please consider having a look around. I'm sure you'll find a video like, especially if you like outdoors and cycling and Brompton bikepacking. And until next time, see you soon.